How to use patch tool in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use patch tool in Photopea. So how can you use patch tool in Photopea? It's very simple. Just follow me to the end of this video. The first step is to log in into your Photopea account. Once you're logged in, ensure you select a project you'd like to work on. Now, concerning the patch tool, I would like to inform you that the patch tool, like the name implies, is a tool that is used to patch an empty space or a space on a particular image or templates on your Photopea project. So if you want to use the patch tool, it's very simple. Just move to the left side of the screen and so the editor's page, and then select the brush tool. All right, okay, that's not it. Then you move upwards to see the healing brush tool. Yeah, select the healing brush tool. Once you selected the healing brush tool, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will see spot healing brush tool, magic replaced, and patch tool. You just go ahead and click on it. And once you've clicked on the patch tool, you have to ensure that at the top part of the screen, you've selected source. All right, ensure you've selected source, not target. All right, source. And then once that is done, select the area you would like to patch. Once you selected the area you'd like to patch, okay, let's bring this back. Oh, that was a mistake. Let's undo it. Okay, all right, undo. Okay. So once you have it back in the middle, the next step, like I said, is to click on the patch tool. So once you've clicked on the patch tool, you've selected source, just come over to the screen and then select the layer that you'd like to patch. Once you've selected the layer you'd like to patch, just go ahead and draw out or trace out the area that you'd like to patch. All right, so once you have it traced out, click on it, and then as you can see, you have to rasterize this layer. So to rasterize this layer, all you need to do is to left click on it this way, and then you see the option rasterize. And then once you have it rasterized, go ahead and click on it again, and just like that, that particular area will be patched. The reason why it's looking as if this place is empty is because there is no gap here in this particular image, but you use the patch tool basically to patch areas where there are spaces or where there are gaps. All right, so you can just use it at areas where gaps are, and then you can just keep on patching as much as you can or you want, and that's just it. This is how you can use the patch tool in 4P. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.